So I'm going to be adding some 5mm spacers to my 818. I have a really close clearance on the wheel and a lower control arm in the back, which is just a few millimeters, and I want some more clearance. It's already rubbing. But on top of that, I think it might look good if you bump the wheel out, another 5mm. 5 mils doesn't sound like a lot, so let's take a look and see if we can actually tell a difference and if it's actually worth it. So I have these spacers from Mach V or Mach 5, whatever you want to call it. 5 mils is not a lot. They claim I can reuse my stock studs, so this should be pretty easy. Just need to pop the wheel off, put those on, and I'm going to make sure I have enough threads for the lug nuts. I don't want 1 or 2 threads. I want it to actually go on a decent amount to where I'm comfortable running this as it is. Oh yeah, it's not too bad. There's a solid 6 turns or so to get the lug nuts on. You can count this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those aren't full turns, but they're, as much as I can turn my hand. Definitely not trying to ride on 1 thread or 2 threads. So it's subtle, but it does look a little bit nicer. Got the wheels bumped out on the back. You have a little more tire sticking out near the bottom. Can't really tell at the top, it's still underneath the fender. And then from the front, from the front it sticks out a little more. Nothing major. Pretty mild as I expected. But the track on the car just got a 1/2 inch wider, so that should be nice. Hopefully it'll help me in autocross too. Just a hair. I mean, I'm not gonna shave off seconds doing this. So here's a before and after picture. There isn't a huge difference in the look, but at least now I'm clearing that suspension arm and my wheel is no longer rubbing it. I have some upgrades planned for my front suspension so I can run a slightly wider tire, and that tire is actually more sucked into the wheel well, so I'm pretty excited to kick that one out a little bit more. That one should be a lot more dramatic than this one. So keep an eye out for that video. Thanks for watching.